This is the presentation for the paper ID 272, Advancing Rail Infrastructure Integrating Digital Twins and Cyber-Physical Systems for Predictive Maintenance. I'm Mahendrini Ariyachandra from University College London, and this is a project in collaboration with University of Cambridge and the Hong Kong University of Science and Technology in China. Moving on to the motivations for the study. The railway industry is vital for global transport, moving goods and passengers while contributing billions of euros annually and supporting over millions of jobs. But maintaining these networks is costly, over £1 billion each year in the UK alone, with unplanned failures adding £169 million in each year. So traditionally scheduled and corrective maintenance is inefficient, which leads to downtime, higher cost, and safety risks. In order to address this challenge, the predictive maintenance, which uses IoT, big data, and AI, predicts failures before they occur. It is proven that it already cut maintenance costs by 20%, improved reliability by 15%, and reduced breakdowns by 30%. But the problem is that the railway systems are highly complex, and to add on top of that, those are aging infrastructure that makes maintenance even harder. So as a solution, the digital twins, which are real-time digital replicas, and cyber-physical systems, which links physical assets with computational models, offers a step change. So they enable continuous monitoring, real-time fault detection, and better decisions. It has proven that integrating predictive maintenance with digital twin and cyber-physical systems could save operators up to €3 billion annually, and also it can boost safety, reduce waste, cut emissions as shown by HS2 ADT powered system, which aiming to save 3.2 billion tons of carbon dioxide. But the problem is that the adoption is still emerging. The challenges include the need for robust, scalable technical architecture, integrating legacy systems, managing sensor costs, ensuring data accuracy, security, and interoperability. So in order to unlock the full potential of digital twin cyber-physical system integration, the railway sector must overcome these barriers, delivering safer, greener, and more cost-efficient rail networks. So the project tackles this challenge by improving the predictive maintenance in railways by proposing a novel conceptual framework that integrates digital twins and cyber-physical systems. So in here, we first define and clarify how digital twins, cyber-physical systems, and predictive maintenance interrelated within rail infrastructure. Second, we design a conceptual framework showing the technical integration of digital twins and cyber-physical systems for railway predictive maintenance. And third, we identify and evaluate the key data streams between digital twins and cyber-physical systems that will strengthen the predictive maintenance capability. So it is important to highlight that unlike general discussions on digital twins and cyber-physical systems, this study advances the structural technical architecture that deepens the theoretical understanding and sparks interdisciplinary dialogue. More importantly, it offers railway stakeholders a practical insight to improve asset management, reduce downtime, and boost operational efficiency. So let's start with cyber-physical systems, or known as CPS. So think of CPS as a bridge between the physical and digital worlds. So they came about in early 2000, and where we started embedding computing power into real systems. But with the IoT, BIM, and advanced analytics, CPS can now monitor assets in real time, predict issues before they happen, and support smarter decisions. So in construction and especially railways, CPS means that sensors and analytics working together, constantly checking the health of the assets, spotting risk early, and enabling predictive maintenance instead of waiting for failures. Now on to digital twins, or DTs. So this concept was introduced in 2002, which is a digital copy of physical asset. Today, with CPS, IoT, and big data, digital twins have become a reality. So they let us simulate systems in real time, predict failures, and optimize how we can manage them. So in railways, digital twin is like a live virtual model. It mirrors what is happening on the ground and helping us plan maintenance, improve safety, and extend the life of the infrastructure. So let's break down the CPS digital twin framework into three key layers: physical, communication, and cyber. So first, the physical domain or the physical twin. So this is the real world rail system, which includes elements like tracks, sleepers, rolling stock, signaling, bridges, and overhead lines. But it's not just static infrastructure. It enhanced with smart sensors like ultrasonic sensors to detect hidden cracks, strain gauges to measure uneven loads, and ground penetrating radar to assess conditions. Together, they provide live, high-resolution data and even trigger quick automated responses to keep the railway safe and reliable. Next, we have the communication layer, which is the bridge between the physical and cyber worlds. So here the data flows seamlessly from sensors to the digital twin through edge computing, 5G enabled IoT networks, and AI-driven processing. And it is bi-directional. If a bridge sensor detects unusual vibration, it can instantly trigger an automated inspection or maintenance alert. So finally, we have the cyber domain, which houses the digital twin. So this is the brain of the system. It constantly synchronizes with live data, turning raw sensor streams into actionable insight. So in simple terms, the physical twin sensors, the communication layer connects, and the digital twin thinks and predicts, together enabling smarter predictive maintenance for rail infrastructure. So the next step is moving from this conceptual framework to a functional prototype and testing in real world conditions. So here how it unfolds. So first, we will build a high fidelity digital twin of the railway using multi-source sensor data to simulate real-time asset conditions. Next, we are aiming to deploy a hybrid edge cloud computing setup. And then we'll integrate the sensors and 5G connectivity, which is a robust sensor network combined with ultra-reliable low latency 5G that will allow near instant feedback for dynamic maintenance scheduling. And then we are hoping to run pilot tests on selected railway corridors, measuring KPIs like fault detection, lead time, false positives, and cost savings, while ensuring the system works with the existing railway management platforms. Finally, our aim is to co-develop guidelines with industry partners and engage regulators aligned with safety and cybersecurity standards. So to summarize the project outcomes, this research introduces a digital twin cyber-physical systems framework to transform predictive maintenance in rail infrastructure. So it combines AI-driven fault diagnostic and real-time sensor fusion with scalable interoperable architecture that will work with both legacy and future rail systems. So using reinforcement learning, it supports smarter and real-time decision making while promoting sustainability and asset management through condition-based maintenance. Through interdisciplinary research and industry collaboration, this framework can enable safer, more efficient, and cost-effective railway operation. So that's the end of the presentation of our project. If you would like to know about more details, please contact me using the email address given on the slide. And thank you so much for listening.